Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will explain how we can create pockets from curved surfaces. First, I will create a new body. I will create a new sketch on XZ plane. First, I will create a rectangle having the height of 50 mm and width of 30 mm. Then I will close it and will apply revolve to make a circular shape. Now, if I want to make a pocket on this face, I can do it in a normal way. Because if I will select this face and click on create new sketch, this errors will be shown on our screen. It's mean that if I want to make any new sketch on any face, the face must be flat. We can create sketches on curved faces in a normal way. Then for creating pockets, first I will create a datum plane. For creating datum planes, first I will turn on the visibility of the axis. Then I will click on create datum plane and will choose a relevant axis. As I want to create the pocket from front to back, I will choose XZ plane as a reference. I will increase the value of Z axis so that the plane must come out from the surface of the cylinder and click on OK. Again, I will hide the axis and click on datum plane and will create a new sketch. Now I will click on the rectangle and will create a rectangle for creating pockets. I will ignore the dimensions as I am doing this for demonstration purposes. Close. Now I will select the sketch, apply the pocket, and I will change the type from dimensions to through all and click on OK. If I will go to the front view by pressing 1 from the keyboard, you can see that the pocket has been created from front to back. Now I will click on datum plane and will press spacebar to hide the datum plane. In this way, our pocket has been created successfully. Thank you.